Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Lite, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find the display and brightness option. Now we have to scroll down again to find the auto screen off. Let's enter. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of options from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. So currently we've got the 30 seconds option applied. As you can see, this option is marked. So basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick 5 minutes, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied. It is also notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your OPPO Find X5 Pro Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.